In today's video, we'll be showing you how exactly you can uninstall Discord, both on your PC as well as on mobile devices. If you just don't use Discord anymore, you want to save some space, or if you're trying to get rid of it as a troubleshooting step. So let's start off with how you do it on PC. Now, here's the thing. You can't really uninstall it like you would any other app on Windows. If you go to the regular uninstall menu, you see that Discord is mysteriously missing. Well, that's because Discord isn't installed like most other apps, and the way you remove it is by doing so manually and deleting the Discord folder itself. So what you want to do is look up the run program in Windows, or use the shortcut Win and R to open it up, and then type in AppData in this window that pops up, and then hit enter. This will open up the AppData folder, and once you're in it, you want to click on the local folder you find within there. Find the Discord folder within that, and then click on it once. Then tap delete on your keyboard, and it's going to delete that folder. This will then remove Discord from your PC. Now let's go over how you do it on a mobile. By far the easiest way is just to find Discord either on your main home screen or also in the app list, and holding down on the app's icon until you get a little menu that pops up. Then tap on uninstall, then confirm your choice, and the app is going to get uninstalled. Now, this was done on Android, more specifically Samsung's own version of Android. However, these steps are pretty much identical on also other versions of Android and also on iOS as well. What you have to do is just hold down on a Discord icon and you're gonna get an uninstall or remove option. So it is going to look pretty much the same. So that's exactly how you can uninstall Discord on both your PC and on mobile devices. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for like this in the future.